Welcome to a new simple way to improve your English. This video is packed with useful vocabulary that you're going to learn, but not in the traditional way. You're going to have your mind go into a relaxed, twilight, meditative state where you're not asleep, but nor are you awake. This will allow your brain to simply absorb all the words and phrases subliminally, without any effort at all from you. All you have to do is, well, nothing. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Beep beep. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes or watch the images on the screen. Gently allow your shoulders to drop, letting go of any tension. Begin by taking a deep, soothing breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body begin to soften as each inhale carries away any heaviness you no longer need. Let your body settle and your mind unwind as we begin. Picture yourself gently waking up in a cozy cabin, tucked away in the heart of a lush forest. Through a small window, you notice the soft grey morning light filtering through the trees. The gentle pitter-patter of rain taps steadily on the wooden roof above, a rhythm that feels comforting. The cabin is warm and inviting, and you smell the faint aroma of the embers of last night's fire, which has slowly died in the fireplace. You sit for a moment on the edge of a soft bed, stretching your arms and feeling perfectly content. Everything here is simple, peaceful, and just as it should be. You step outside, barefoot onto the wooden deck. The cool morning air brushes softly against your skin, and the earthy scent of the rain-soaked forest greets you. As you breathe it in, any lingering worries melt away, leaving you feeling light and free. The rain eases into a drizzle and gently peters out. As the sun starts its daily rise above the treetops. A small path winds its way through the forest, inviting you to explore. So you slip on a pair of old sandals that are so comfortable they feel like hands hugging your feet. You step off the porch and begin walking, feeling the soft crunch of damp leaves on the ground. The trees stand tall around you, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze. You surrender to nature and allow yourself to simply wander. Each step feels easy and natural, as though the forest itself is guiding you as you amble along the path. Listening to the sounds of the insects that busily go about their business. You notice the sunlight dappling the forest floor with golden light. The air is fresh and crisp, carrying the scent of damp grass and wild flowers. Suddenly you step out of the forest into a glade and stand still as a statue as you see a deer lying with its fawn. It glances up at you and slowly stands without any fear, sensing that you are of no danger. It bends its elegant neck and encourages its baby to follow as it leads it away into the forest. You wait until it's no longer in sight and move across the glade and again deeper into the trees. Before long, you arrive at the edge of a serene lake. It's so huge you can't see the far bank. Its surface is like glass, reflecting the soft blues and greens of the sky. You pause here, letting the beauty of the moment sink in. Finding a flat rock at the water's edge, you sit down and dip your fingers into the cool, clear water. Tiny ripples fan out across the surface, each one a gentle reminder that even the smallest actions can have far-reaching effects. The sound of the lake lapping gently at the shore becomes a soothing rhythm. Then, slipping off your sandals, you step into the shallow, refreshing water and watch, mesmerised, as tiny, colourful fish dart around your ankles and feet. Close by, a majestic snowy white swan elegantly swims by, totally ignoring your presence. You allow your thoughts to drift like the clouds overhead. After sitting for a while, feeling completely at peace, you decide to wander back through the forest. The path winds gently, and with each step you feel more connected to the world around you. You notice the beauty in small details, the vibrant moss on the stones, the delicate patterns on the leaves. Life here is simple, and simplicity feels good. The light filters softly through the leaves, casting playful shadows on the ground. With each step, you feel more connected to the earth beneath you. The scent of fresh pine and damp soil fills your senses, reminding you that nature always offers a quiet, nurturing embrace. As you continue, you notice delicate wild flowers peeking through the soft undergrowth. Tiny bursts of colour that bring subtle joy to your journey. As you walk, you hear the forest birds high in the trees singing, bringing a smile to your face. A narrow stream runs alongside the path, its water bubbling over smooth stones. You listen to its clear, soothing chatter, a natural melody that accompanies your steps. With each ripple and each soft murmur, you imagine new words gently forming in your mind. Words like serene, whisper and tranquil. Let these words echo softly within you as naturally as the stream flows onward. Eventually, the cabin comes back into view, its warm wooden beams glowing softly in the afternoon light. A soft breeze surrounds you, and you feel a slight chill, making you happy to step inside. You take a seat in your favourite easy chair, close to the fire, feeling the warmth envelop you, and listen to the comforting sounds of the wood crackling as it burns. Today was a good day. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the ground beneath you, and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to adjust to the light. Carry this sense of calm with you as you return to your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, even the smallest moments of calm can make a world of difference. I'll see you next time.